lime congealed salad. And I'm not sure, but I think the recipe came from Aunt Monteen. She had all the good recipes. So that's what we made tonight. I'm dissolving the lime jello first. I need just a tad more. You know what a tad is. Okay. In goes the jello. It's the big box of jello too. Ooh, that's pretty. Can you see how pretty that is? I usually do this on the stove top, but this ought to work fine. It's dissolving. Okay, then the next thing I think comes up is the cream cheese. Whoop, there's a fly. You always have a fly or a gnat or something. If you don't, you're not really cooking. Kind of messy getting it out. It's gonna be lumpy, Amber. I've never made it wasn't lumpy. But, okay, here we go. We'll get out all the lumps we can.
Where did that mixer come from?
This mixer was given to me at my shower in 1956, Pine Grove Baptist Church. And it's hung in there all these years. Oh boy, here we go. Is that what you call lumpy, Amber?
Yes.
And you can't make it out smooth. It's not going to come out smooth.
And then you put the mayonnaise in?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And mayonnaise in, then I gotta have a smaller spoon.
And that's Miracle Whip.
It's Miracle Whip, and I prefer it. It's got more of a little tangy taste to it, and that's what you want with this lime. Oh, no, excuse me. Ms. Lanier liked this kind of stuff. Mama did.
She liked the congealed stuff, or?
Oh, she liked this mayonnaise. Not the mayonnaise, but the
Miracle Whip.
Miracle Whip. Oh well. Okay, there it goes. Come on, lump. We always made fun of it. Last time I made some at Mama's. Oh yeah, look at that stuff there. What's that green stuff? Well, they tasted it. I think it was a loved it. Had to take back all those ugly remarks. Okay, let me stir it a little bit here. Be sure I get it all on sides and everything. I think that's probably enough. What's next now? Next, a little thing of milk. A little can of evaporated milk. This is the store brand, but the best one of pineapple, you want to have something that's in heavy syrup, and Dole is the leading one, or was, and I think they've about quit making it too. But it's hard to find pineapple now in heavy syrup, so we're going to add a little sugar to it in a few minutes to give it that little zip. But this is crushed pineapple, and it's going in now. Okay. Measured it correctly, Amber?
Yes. Yes.
You did? Okay. Put a little sugar in here then. That looks like a lot of sugar. But we'll see. Okay, then the last ingredient that thing would sit up is pecans, and it says it calls for a cup, but I always add a few extra ones of pecans. And these pecans are delicious. They come from Jarriel Farms, and we just love them so in goes the pecans. And we stir them up, stir them up, stir them up. Here we go. We've got all the ingredients stirred in here. And by the way, the secret to a good recipe like this, with these pecans in it, is good pecans. So just remember, get good Jarriel pecans. Here we go. Oops, it wants to kind of. Isn't that pretty? Okay, that's just lovely. Time to put the lid on and stick them in the refrigerator. And I'll look at them again until tomorrow. In goes the lids. Okay. And we've got it in the refrigerator already. We'll look at it in the morning and it should be fine.